children. Good morning, you all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Join soon.
Good morning,
The conversation copy files.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Good
आज मैथ का
morning.
क्लास नहीं चलेगा।
Morning, sir.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
सर आज मैथ का क्लास नहीं चलेगा।
No, not at all. Your math teacher is absent today.
Morning, sir.
Okay. Good morning. Ayushi Oza, Karthik Patel, Nirbhay, Aradhya.
Yes, sir.
Be ready.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर टेस्ट रिजल्ट कब आएगा?
Are you fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
I will declare.
Yes, sir. I am fine.
Okay. I will declare it
Fine.
after evening. Okay.
पापा सबसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे।
You will get your result. Harsh Kumar Verma, Ayushi Oza. Okay.
हम लोग का 6 PM पे भी मैथ का क्लास नहीं चलेगा।
Okay, बेटा.
होती है।
I will teach you.
इंग्लिश कॉम्बिनेशंस की बुक लगती है।
I will
सर
teach you
इंग्लिश कॉम्बिनेशन की बुक लगेगी।
English conversation. I will teach you English conversation. Okay.
इंग्लिश कॉम्बिनेशंस की बुक लगती है।
What?
सर मैथ की क्लासेस क्यों नहीं चलेंगी? हाँ चाचू।
Wait for message. Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। सर इंग्लिश का
Yeah, ask us. English conversation.
गुड मॉर्निंग है। सर इंग्लिश कॉम्बिनेशन की बुक लगती है। गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning, children.
सर इंग्लिश कॉम्बिनेशंस के सर इंग्लिश कॉम्बिनेशंस
I don't know about that. What happened? It's not working. No, beta. See. Okay, see. But it's a new marker. It's not working. See, go. Making the questions. Look at the first point. I, am I, question mark. Making the questions. Next is he, question mark, is he. Next, is she, is she, question mark. Next is it, is it, question mark. These are the patterns you need to understand. Them first. Come back to the point. Are are you, question mark. Are you. Next is are sit down. B, are B, question mark. Next is are they, are they, question mark. Children, you need to know these structures. First, am I late? This is your question? Am I late? Try to answer in yes or no form. No, you are not. You are not late. You can say, no, you are on time. Okay? Here, try to get two answers Yes and no answers I am talking about. Yes and no answers. If your structures are like this, I late. So get your answers in yes and no. Are you getting my words? Children, pay attention. Try to understand all. Veer Pratap Singh, don't move. Come to the next one. Is he at home? Is he at home? He means what here? What is he? He is a pronoun. Understand? Now we are going to use in the place of pronoun, noun. Is your father at home? Just think about answers. You will get your answers in yes and no. Is he at home? Is your father at home? Yes. He's at home. Yes, he's home. Yes, he's here. Correct? Now, no. He's not. He's not. No, he isn't. No, he's out. Children, try to follow all very carefully. Come to the next one. Is she there? Is your mother there? Is your mother here? These are the questions. Now try to answer. Yes. She's there. Yes. She's there. Yes. She's out. No, she's not here. She's not at home. She's not here. She's not home. She's there. She's there. Can you say? Can you answer like this? So here we are learning how to answer in yes or no. Children, pay attention. Come to the next. Is it new? Is your book new? Is your pencil new? Is it new? It may be things. Is it costly? You may ask questions like this. Just try to answer. Is it new? Yes, it's new. It's new. Is it cold? We are sitting here. We are feeling cold. Yes, little. Yes, little bit. I'm cold. I'm feeling cold. Yes, it is cold. Yes, little. It is new. Yes, it's new. Can you say? It is there. If you have kept something there, so if you want to ask about them, so you may ask a question like this. Is it there? Pencil, sharpener, eraser, book, copy, whatever you want to keep. You may ask, okay, is it there? Is it cold? Is it new? It is it hot? Is it old? Is your copy, is your book like this? Is your shirt? Is your bag? So you may use it for all. Okay? Come to the next. Are you tired? Are you late? Arushi Bharti? Arushi Bharti? Arushi? Hello? Listen to me. Arushi?
Yes, sir. हेलो सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है। Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay, now? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Mute yourself better.
Yes.
Are you, just come back to the point.
Yes.
Hungry. Look at this pattern. Are you, children, just try to answer in yes and no.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry. No, I'm not. I'm thirsty. No, I'm not. I'm thirsty. Yes, I'm hungry. Yes, I'm hungry. No, I'm not. I'm thirsty. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you student? Are you student? Mute yourself, beta. Yes, I'm
Yes,
student. I'm
I'm a
student.
student.
I'm a student. Are you getting yes answer? Yes, I'm student. No? No, I'm not teacher. Can you say? No, I'm not teacher. I'm student. Okay, beta? Come to the next point. Are we doctors? Listen to me. Are we doctors? Look at the pattern. Are we doctors? Children, try to answer in yes or no. Are we doctors? No. No, we are not doctors. Are we students? Are we students? Yes, we are students. Yes, we are students. Just try to answer in yes or no. Are we tired? Are we tired? No. No, we aren't. We aren't. We are not tired. We are thirsty. Can you say beta? Are we happy? Listen to me. Listen to me carefully. Are we happy? Yes, we are happy. No, we aren't happy. We are not happy. We aren't happy. Everyone getting answers in yes or no, yes or no, no, yes, yes or no. Practice all completely. Next one, are they students? Are they school children? Are they books? Just think about the question, how it happens. Are they toys? What will be your answer? Are they school children? Yes, yes, they are school children. Are they students? Yes, they are students. They are students. They are students. No, they are not students. They are not students. They are not students. Okay, beta? Are they books? Yes, they are books. They are books. No, they are toys. They are not books, they are toys. Yes, they are toys. No, they are not books. Anyhow, you just try to make questions. Your answer must come in yes or no form. Yes or no way. It's all. That's enough for you. Follow the structures and make more and more sentences. Okay, children? Now, I'm going to unmute all